personal design assistant, thanks to the wonders of artificial intelligence. All you have to do is input your content, and voila! Canva's AI-powered design suggestions feature leaps into action, offering you a plethora of design options tailored to your content. Imagine you're creating a poster for your upcoming book club meeting. You input the details, the book title, the date, the time. In the blink of an eye, Canva's design suggestions provides you with a variety of layouts, color schemes, and typography that fit your content perfectly. It's like magic, but it's not. It's advanced algorithms and machine learning at work. This feature is a game changer, especially for those who may not come from a design background. It makes design simpler, more accessible, and yet remains sophisticated. With Canva's design suggestions, everyone can create stunning designs. Design has never been this easy and accessible. So what does this mean for the future of design? Well, with the advent of artificial intelligence, the design landscape is set for a significant transformation. As AI continues to evolve, it's becoming increasingly clear that design is no longer a luxury reserved for the few who've mastered the art. Instead, design is becoming democratized, more accessible to everyone, irrespective of their skill level. Imagine a world where AI could take a rough sketch and transform it into a professional-grade design in seconds, or where it could suggest color schemes, fonts, and layouts based on your personal preferences, or even the mood you're trying to evoke. This would mean that anyone with a creative idea could bring it to life without the need for formal design training. The implications of this are profound. It could foster a new era of creativity and innovation, where design is driven not just by professionals, but by anyone with a vision. With AI, the future of design is not just for designers, but for everyone.